I am sure almost every man on the planet would like it if a woman found them sexy. Am I wrong? I don't think so. You might be thinking it's all well and good to want a woman to find you sexier, but you are as sexy as you are. Basically, you have either got it or you don't. Well, this is actually kind of false. There are things that you can do to increase your level of sexy, from the unconventional things to maybe things you might have heard before. So watch this video if you want girls to find you sexier. Like and subscribe. Number 1, wear sunglasses. Sunglasses make a mysterious man. Now, girls can't see what your eyes are doing behind your sunglasses. They don't know if you are looking at them or looking at something in front of you. It makes you an unknown man of mystery and it makes you sexy. Although you can't really wear sunglasses all year round unless you live in a particular sunny spot, when you can pull them out, that can seriously make you sexier in a woman's eyes. Be nice. Sounds simple, but it's often forgotten, and you don't often see being nice at the top of a ways to get a girl list, right? Being nice is super underrated. Simply doing something kind for a girl, paying a girl a compliment, or listening to her when she needs some advice. These are all nice things you can do for a girl that will set you apart from other guys and make you sexier in her eyes. Most of the nice things you can do are free or cost very little money, so why not give it a try? Wear cologne. Smelling great, very important when it comes to attracting a girl. Now, we have something called a scent memory. It means we can remember what certain people or situations smell like. It's like how when you think of your favorite meal, you remember how it smells. This is scent memory, and it's another way to get a girl. So if you are always smelling a cologne that smells nice and has a distinctive smell, a girl will always remember you for that smell. Whenever she smells a similar type of scent, she will think of you. Also, guys wearing cologne are sexy. It really is as simple as that. Make her laugh. It's hard to find something that is sexier in a girl's eyes than being a funny person, okay? It does not matter what you look like or even your personality to some extent. If you can make a girl laugh, then you have already won. She will never forget that you are a funny person, and making her laugh will also make her instantly relax around you, which is a big plus. It helps establish a level of trust, which is important even in the very early stages of a relationship. Eat more garlic. Yeah, don't think you expected this one, did you? But in 2016, a study was conducted which showed that people who eat garlic have a more pleasant and attractive smell to them compared to those who don't. So before you say no to that dish, you really want to think, you know, I should have that. It contains garlic. It's going to make me sexier. Travel with other people. You would be surprised, you know, how many girls you can pick up while traveling if you travel with other people. It is hard to always remember this, but originally we were pack animals. Therefore, we always like people more when they seem to be surrounded by packs of, say, friends or family. It makes you seem more approachable and more friendly. It shows that you are liked by others, and if a girl is traveling alone and looks a little lonely, well, you can simply invite her over into your group. If you do travel alone, it is still possible to pick up girls, don't get me wrong, but it's just far easier when you are in a pack. Be friends with a baby. Okay, but not in a creepy way. Do you have a baby niece or a nephew? Maybe your friend has a baby? Girls love seeing men around babies. It shows off your softer side and they find it super sexy. She won't necessarily be thinking about making babies with you while she is watching you, so don't worry about that. She's just thinking about how sexy and friendly and kind you are as a person. Walk your dog. Just like babies, women find it sexy when a man walks a dog. Now, if you have a dog, I am sure you already get women coming up to you and asking if they can stroke your dog. This is a great time to strike up a conversation with them and ask for their number, maybe even go on a date together. Why not use your furry friend to your advantage, hey? Stop shaving for a little bit. Facial hair can completely change how you look. You can go from baby face to sexy lumberjack in a couple of days. If you are not having a huge amount of luck with the ladies, then ditch the razor just for a little bit and see if your look increases. Plenty of women only date men who have facial hair, so it could open up some more opportunities for you. Master your game. Focus on the way that you walk. Try not to slouch. Remember, slouching is not sexy. Hold yourself with more composure. Stand up straight with your shoulders out and your head up. Try walking and standing like this. The more composed you can look, the sexier a girl will think you are. Craft your dating app bio wisely. When you can't meet a girl in person and only behind the walls of a dating app, then things do get a little harder. You need to make sure that you craft out your dating app wisely. So think about those pictures that you upload. For example, a picture of you and your sister might put other people off, but one of you and your dog, well, that will bring the ladies in. So think about what you say on your dating app as well. Choose the words wisely and make sure they do reflect you as a person. Steer clear of selfies. In general, please try to avoid selfies if possible. Sure, a few on social media and maybe one on your dating app is fine, but if you start posting them everywhere, you will look a little bit vain. Instead, take pictures with your friends or get them to take pictures of you. Smile, but slowly. Girls find it super sexy when a guy smiles at them. So if you are in the corner of a dark room with a girl flirting and she's flirting back, you can actually give that slow smile and this will bring you more favors. Slowly break into a smile or just do a half smile. This drives girls crazy and they think it's very sexy. Stay fit. Obviously, girls find guys' bodies sexy. What we have talked about today has been more about personality, but one thing you can do on the outside to attract girls is you can stay fit. Going to the gym or playing a sport is something almost every girl in the world finds sexy. It shows you are committed to working hard and that you do care about what you look like. They also like how you look when you don't have a shirt on. For them, it's a huge bonus. Flaunt your battle scars. Do you have a scar from when you fell over or from when you did something heroic? Well, girls find this sexy. Why? Because you telling them about it makes you vulnerable, and there is nothing sexier than a guy who can talk about his emotions. Carry your guitar. Girls love musicians, but especially guys who play the guitar. Most girls dream of being serenaded by a guy. So if you play an instrument, then tell her that you do. Don't just hide it. Play her a song, take it on a date, or maybe record yourself and send this to her. They find it super sexy and hard to resist a musician. So you might have a few girls after you. Ditch the corny pickup lines. Pickup lines never really work and normally they are just something to hide behind instead of being truly vulnerable. So try instead to just be yourself, pay her genuine compliments. A girl would far rather like this and find it much sexier than a cheesy planned pickup line. Buy her flowers. Every girl loves receiving flowers from a guy. It shows them that you really care about them and that you are thoughtful. You simply cannot go wrong by surprising her with flowers on a date, sending some to her workplace, or just turning up to hers with flowers. It will make her so happy and she won't be able to stop blushing. There is nothing sexier than a guy who is just doing something nice.